Bitches in the house and shit. I told him come outside. There you go. Trample his ass. Come here. Ugh. Disgusting. I'm supposed to groom you, and you keep going in the house. Y'all gonna get a bath tomorrow? Yep. Y'all stink. Y'all smell like cha-cha. Disgusting. Nasty. You're gonna get it too. Get back out here. How'd I say go in the house?